Hi everyone, in this video we'll be carving a beautiful wooden spoon from scratch using our DIY spoon carving kit. Let's take a look at what's inside and get started. The kit includes 3 wooden blanks, cherry, oak, and linden. Each blank has its own texture and color so you can experiment and find your favorite. Here's the bent gouge, perfect for shaping the bowl of the spoon. This is the sloyd knife, great for carving the outer shape and handle. And the hook knife, ideal for hollowing the spoon's bowl smoothly. You'll also get a leather strop board with polishing compound to keep your tools razor sharp. Finger protection tape, essential to keep your hands safe while carving. And 4 sheets of sandpaper for finishing and smoothing your work. Let's start by applying the polishing compound to the strop board. Just a thin layer is enough to refresh your edge and make sharpening easier. Before carving, wrap your fingers with protection tape. It helps prevent small cuts and gives a better grip on the wood. Now we'll strop the bent gouge, gentle, even strokes to maintain a perfect edge. Next, the sloyd knife. Always pull the blade backward along the strop, never push forward. And finally, the hook knife. Be sure to polish both sides of the curved edge for best results. Let's begin carving. I'm using the bent gouge to form the bowl of the spoon. Work slowly and always cut away from your hands. Cherry wood is dense but carves beautifully with patience. Now switch to the hook knife to refine the shape of the bowl. Use controlled movements and enjoy the process. This is where your spoon starts taking form. Once the bowl is finished, it's time to shape the handle with the sloyd knife. Follow the grain and make long, smooth cuts to get a clean silhouette. Here's how the spoon looks after carving. Smooth lines and natural curves. Now use sandpaper to refine the surface and make it perfectly smooth to the touch. And here's the finished spoon. Simple, elegant, and handmade from cherry wood. A perfect project to relax and create something useful with your own hands.